So in the last module of the course on educational governance, policy and practice, we are going to have a look at the quality aspect of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Education Sector Plan, which was developed in 2010. So quality in KPK school ESP. ESP initiatives regarding improving quality of education include school improvement plans, improvements in textbooks and learning materials development, improved mechanisms of assessment, financial resources, teacher training, establishing better school libraries. So these are the focused areas under quality. कुछ strategies जो कि identify की गई हैं plan में, they are the institutional framework for teacher development is the notified strategy of government for the improvement of teacher education and teacher professional development in the province. A capacity development strategy was prepared in 2010. Improved internal and external assessment, reactivation of co-curricular activities in schools, improving the quality of learning in primary schools through better qualified teachers, localization of teacher support through local circle offices, and improved teacher management. Documentation of trainings, that is very important क्योंकि बहुत दफ़ा में ऐसा होता है कि trainings होती हैं, अगर उनकी documentation ना की जाए तो ultimately we don't know what happened in the trainings. So this is a very important and appreciable strategy which has been included in the plan. All the textbook boards and publishers must adhere to introducing the new textbook development policy, setting up the Inter-Provincial Standing Committee on Textbook Policy, reform and capacity development of the textbook boards, submission of manuscript review and approval process, development of school reading and learning materials other than textbooks by publishers, printing, marketing, sale and distribution. So एक बहुत important चीज़ ये है कि जो पाकिस्तान में in many schools textbooks are the ultimate resources. तो उनकी क्वालिटी को भी बेहतर बनाने के लिए सेक्टर प्लान के अंदर बहुत डिटेल में स्ट्रेटजीज को इंक्लूड किया गया है. That is again very appreciable. Empowering schools to develop annual school improvement plans. SIPs are designed to chart all activities to be undertaken, supervised or monitored by the PTCs. PTCs means parent-teacher conferences, especially create a planning process based on a shared vision of where the school is now, कि इस वक्त में स्कूल की क्या सिचुएशन है, what the PTC wants it to accomplish and a clear idea of how the SIP can help. तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप पहले सिचुएशन को एनालाइज करें कि स्कूल की करंट सिचुएशन क्या है, what it wants to achieve और जो SIP जो है वो किस तरीके से उसमें कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकता है. So that is again one of the important strategies जो कि schools को empower कर सकती हैं. Set objectives for improving teaching and learning. Identify ways to improve well-being of all pupils in schools and help them achieve their full potential. तो जो annual school improvement plan होगा उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा important role जो parent-teacher councils का है. I'm sorry I said it parent-teacher conferences. It is parent-teacher councils. So parent-teacher council का role जो है वो इसमें बहुत बहुत important है regarding school improvement plan. So overall we can say that the KPK education sector plan has given attention to the quality of school education. Key initiatives include formation of school improvement plan, mechanisms for better textbooks and assessments, and teacher education. So that's all about the education sector plan of KPK, and with this we end our course on educational governance, policy and practice.